Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Streamline your booking process. This video will show you how to link Acuity scheduling to your Squarespace website, make an appointment booking a breeze for your clients. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, for this specific video, you will not need an account with Acuity. In fact, you will only need a fresh new Squarespace website that you didn't work with scheduling in before. So to create one real quick, I'm gonna click right here, create website, and basically I'm going to go through these steps like that. Browse template, I'm gonna choose whatever, I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm gonna start with this design, and there I am. Now for this video specifically, we are going to talk about scheduling with Acuity, which is a very easy thing to do. Let's write here scheduling, click on next, next, and next. Get started. So to make scheduling in your Squarespace account, it's pretty simple. You just have to go right here to scheduling, and once you open it, you have to do three things. So first of all, what type of appointment would you like to do? As you can see right here. So let's create the appointment types. Let's go right here, and there is two main types. There is the personal and there is the class one. The personal is one-to-one, and the class, it comes with a group. A group session, you can make like a dancing session, which you can teach a lot of people at once. Let's say like a sports or coaching session. A personal one is more private between one-to-one person. It can be something like a lawyer can do, something like a doctor might do, something like that. So here I'm gonna be making an appointment as a doctor. So let's just write here doctor appointment. Here it is, and there we go. Here for the duration, let's give the person 30 minutes, and I don't know the prices. I'm just gonna type here 200, and let's create the appointment type. As you can see now, we have created our first appointment. Let's go and set our availability. So here you have to choose and pick the times where we are in work, since you have to pick and choose times when people would like to come visit you. Let's say, for example, you open at 9 a.m. You don't really want people to come in the morning. You simply have to do this. Go here, change it to 11 a.m. and make people come till around 3 p.m. and that's your timing. That's just an example. In case, for example, let's say you don't have a problem with waking up early in the morning, then you should simply just put it like this, and here you go. But sometime you have like this break between the hours of morning and the hours of evening, like you work from 9 a.m. till like 1 p.m. and then you reopen at 3 p.m. Then you have to click on this plus button, which will add multiple times where you can modify exactly and choose exactly the times where you open. For example, here what I did is basically I have written and added that I open at 9 a.m. and I close at 1 p.m. Then there is a break from 1 to 3, and I reopen at 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. So like that, people can only book an appointment between 9 a.m. till 1 p.m. and from 3 p.m. till 5 p.m. Between 1 and 3, I will have a day like a break, so people cannot have an appointment in that time. So we can do the same thing for the rest of the days. It's completely up to you. Also, make sure to check and uncheck the days that you work and you take a rest on. For example, if you work during the 5 days of week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, make sure to check them. And if you do not work these days, then uncheck them and check the other days. So it's completely up to you. And like that, I can click on save, and I have done most of the work. So now let's design our scheduling page. By clicking in here, there will be a couple of things that we have to fulfill. So here there is the template. There's two kinds of template that you have to pick. There is the daily and the monthly. Now monthly is best for clients booking more than a week in advance. For example, in case you would like to have an appointment from from now a week or like 3 weeks ahead, then yeah, this is what you have to go for. But in case, like, let's say you are a doctor. Doctors, normally people, when it comes to you, it's probably like 70+% urgent, so you would like to have them daily, since people will love to be like to have like a daily appointment for doctors, since they want to have as fast as possible. They want their sickness to be gone as soon as possible. So daily is the best for doctor. In our case, for you, just do whatever you want. Here, business name, let's just name it to doctor or health. Here, industry, let's choose health coaching. Not medical. Yeah, medical here. Medical treatments. Oh no, this is not medical treatment. This is like web design, wellness, virtual music lesson, events, digital. I don't think there is beauty in, not beauty. I don't think there is health in here for some reason. So, oh, consulting. Let's keep it as consulting. Here, I'm gonna keep it as it is. Here, you can add like a logo in case you had a logo for your company. You could choose it and pick it right through here. I mean, I don't have something in mind. Maybe I'm gonna go with, let me go right here and let's use this one. I mean, that's pretty good. So here you have to put like instructions on what people should do when booking or taking an appointment within your company. So there is a lot of things to mention here, like the price, like if the person comes late, like a lot of things, like the policy of your appointments, how it should be. So in case you didn't arrive to the appointment, what will happen, and a couple of other things. Here, when the week starts, when the time format, the language, the font of the site, and the button color. Click on save changes, and once you have done that, as you can see here, they will take us to the page. Let's view it, and there it is. Here your logo, here the doctor consultation for 200. If I click on book, I will have here all the days, Monday, Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and all the times that I can pick on. Even here they're giving us very like good times, like 9, 10 till 1, as you can see here. For example, Monday, yeah, Monday we have, it is Monday, so Monday I will not have times from 1 to basically 3, which is very good. This is very good here. So yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. This is how you can make scheduling with Acuity. As you can see here, this is mentioned right here. So thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.